Well, hemp farmers start planting in May, but there's a lot of uncertainty right now because a federal hemp ban is scheduled to take effect in November.
Mallory Metzner spoke with a Lancaster County business that sells hemp products about the hope that's possibly on the horizon. Mallory.
Valerie and Alicia, if the hemp ban takes effect, descheduled products that can cross state lines like these sparkling hemp-derived drinks would become scheduled again. The hemp industry and Farmers of America is now hoping to see a new policy from the Trump administration after the president posted his support for hemp on Truth Social last week. Endo Cafe is expanding its hemp and CBD-infused products like these sparkling drinks to Marietta, Lancaster County.
The state of Pennsylvania has not passed a retail regulation package on behalf of hemp consumer goods, and that's what's allowed the door to be opened.
Jake Sittler's business is growing into this former lumberyard storage building that was built in 1870. At the same time, Medicaid is now covering hemp products. And President Trump is taking to Truth Social to call on Congress to update the law to ensure that Americans can continue to access the full spectrum CBD products that help them, while preserving Congress's intent to restrict the sale of products that pose health risks.
Pennsylvania is going to be able to create a modern access of adult use that will have a federal standing behind what hemp actually is, and they can bring that into the fold when they're writing their new legislation.
Dan Barkowiak of the Pennsylvania Family Institute still thinks more restrictions should be added instead.
What is Pennsylvania's priority? Is it public health and safety in our communities, or is it enriching some in an addiction for profit industry, frankly? So again, intoxicating hemp products are things that are causing harm. There's valid concerns to put restrictions on hemp products that are intoxicating, that are appealing to kids.
Sittler agrees there should be guardrails. You have to be 21 to have one of these drinks. He says let the farmers keep planting.
The most important piece is protecting the agricultural production of hemp, letting it be clear what is hemp, how it can be grown, and the testing parameters around the production of it, and then separate out the finished good retail regulation and allow the retail regulation to be appropriately legislated out.
Endo will open in Marietta in a few weeks with these drinks and its other products. In June, the Drug Enforcement Agency will hold hearings on the proposed rescheduling of recreational marijuana. In studio, Mallory Metzner, ABC 27 News.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.